Hi champions, welcome to a marvelous Monday. We are going to start this week with subtraction with regrouping. I believe this is a fairly new skill. I'm going to go over it now, and hopefully when we get back to school, hopefully next month, we'll be able to review this more, but this is definitely a harder concept for third grade, and so I felt that it was good for us to start this early. This picture here is vocabulary for you. It's a parts of an subtraction problem. A lot of them I haven't used. My minuend, subtractend, but the one you will use is different. So if you say, what's the difference between 6 and 4? You know you're doing subtraction. So out of all of this, you need to know the word difference. Okay, just like last week, I'm going to show you two different strategies that work, and you can choose which one works best for you. The first one is the standard way with regrouping, and the second way is called the place value chart way. This is if you don't understand what it means to regroup. It's actually a good thing to look at. But again, you can choose whichever way works best for you. So I'm going to split the screen, show you that we'll get the same answer either way, okay? So the first practice problem is going to be 62 minus 19. Just like with math, I wrote them horizontally, but we need to stack them up. For this week, the bigger number should already be in front. Okay, so we always start in the ones place. This is the regular way, which your parents are probably most familiar with as well, so they can help you. We're going to ask ourselves, can I do 2 minus 9? So if you hold up 2 fingers, can you give me 9? You should say no, because there's a smaller number on top. We cannot subtract with a smaller number on top. So we cross out the 2 and we cross out the 6 in the tens place. We're going to do something called regroup. Your parents may have heard this as borrowing, but when you borrow, you give something back. And in this math problem, we're not giving anything back. We are regrouping it to change the 2 ones into something bigger. So you're going to hear me say the word regroup. If your parents say the word borrow, that's fine, but maybe you can explain to them why we're going to say regrouping now, okay? So we have 6 tens. We're going to take one of those tens away. So we have 6 tens minus 1 10 is 5 tens. We're going to take those tens, so technically we have 10 tens, right? Because you had 6 tens, which is 60, and I took away a 10 and it got me 50. So what am I going to do with those tens? I'm going to give them next door. So I'm going to put plus 10 over here. So I have to look and see, well, I already had 2 ones, plus 10, 2 plus 10 is 12. Now I can ask myself, can I subtract? Is 12 bigger than 9? Yes. So 12 minus 9, 12, 11, 10, 9 is 3. Can I do 5 minus 1? Yes. 5 minus 1 is 4. The answer should be 43. I'm going to leave that up. We're going to try the place value way. So place value way is a ones and a tens chart. So we're going to put 62 in this chart. So there's going to be 6 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 62. Okay? Now we're taking away 19, and just like before, we're going to start in the ones place, okay? So you don't confuse yourself. So I'm trying to take away 9 ones. Do I have 9 ones here? I do not. I can't cross anything out. So I'm going to go to the tens. I'm going to take one of the tens and decompose them. So how many ones are in a 10? 10 of them. So I'm going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that gives me 10, 11, 12, just like over here. So now I'm going to say, can I take away 9? Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are left? 1, 2, 3 are left. Over here, I'm going to take away 1. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. My difference was 43. My difference was 43. So I got the same answer both times. So you can start to figure out which way works best for you. Okay, let's try another one. This will be the first way, this will be the second way. I'll put PV for place value and I'll write this as standard. Remember, we're going to regroup. So the next problem is 73 minus 28. Okay, those are both written horizontally. I want to write them vertically and stack them. Make sure that your ones place is stacked on top and your tens place are stacked on top. So which place do we start in? We start in the ones always when we're subtracting or adding. So ask yourself, can I take away 3 from 8? So put up 3 fingers. Sorry, can I take away 8 from 3? So put up 3 fingers. Can you give me 8? You should say no because this number is smaller. The only way we can subtract is the top number needs to be bigger. So we need to get help. How do we get help? We go next door. So remember, this was 7 tens, which is 70. I'm going to take away a 10, so what do I have left? 6. 6 tens left. So I'm going to take those tens and give it back to the ones place. So 10 plus 3 is 13. Now I can subtract. Is 13 bigger than 8? Sure is. So 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8. That should be 5. Now I'm going to do 6 minus 2. 6, 5, 4. Our difference should be 45. Let's try the place value way. Here's my place value chart. So I take the top number. So I'm going to put 73 in here. So here's my 3 ones and then 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so now we're going to start in the ones place again. So remember, the ones place had 3, can I take away 8? You should see you cannot take it away from here. There's only 3, so we have to regroup. So cross out 1, draw an arrow. How many circles do I draw? 10, because right, if we take away a 10, there's 10 ones are in a 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that one's gone. So, and that's just like what we did on the other side, right? We had 7 tens, now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so let's see, can we take away 8 now? Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 total. Now on this side we have to take away 2, right? So 1, 2, how many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. The difference is 45 again. So we got the same answer on both sides. This time I'd like you to try on your own. So once I write the problem, pause the screen, choose whichever way works best for you. This will be a regroup. So it's going to be 81 minus 35. So go ahead and pause, try whichever way you'd like, and we'll go over both ways. All right, let's review. Let's see how you did. Standard algorithm, I line up my numbers, put ones and tens there. So can I do 1 minus 5? You should be shaking your head no, because this number is smaller. If you put up 1 finger, sorry, can I take away 5 from 1? You have to say it the other way around. Put up 1 finger, cannot give 5, so I need to regroup. I had 8 tens, which is 80. I take away a 10, gives me 70. I'm going to give those tens back over here. I have 10 plus 1 is 11. So can I do 11 minus 5? Yep, because 11 is bigger. 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Can I do 7 minus 3? Yes, 7, 6, 5, 4. The answer should be 46. Let's try the place value way. So we're going to put 81. That should be a minus sign, not whatever I wrote here. Just minus. Okay. 81, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 81. We're going to try to take away 35. So we start in which place? The ones place. I have 1. Can I take away 5 ones? No, so I need to regroup. Draw an arrow. How many circles do I draw? 10. 10's our magic number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now, just like we did over here, it matches, right? Now how many do I have? I have 11, just like this problem. And over here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, just like over here. So now can we take away 5? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now over here I have to take away 3. Can I take away 3? Yes. 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. I got the same answer. The difference is 46. Just like last week, you're going to choose which strategy works best for you. I just want you to remember a few things. Stack your numbers on top of each other. Remember, the bigger number goes on top. And show all of your work. You can always check with the calculator. It is not cheating if you check with the calculator. Sometimes I have to do that just to make sure that what I'm telling you is correct. So as long as you do the work on your own, you can check with the calculator. Here are your 5 problems plus a bonus. So you notice the 5 are 10s minus 10s, so stack them up. And then the bonus, let me explain to you, you're going to subtract these first. And whatever answer you get, then you subtract the answer or the difference from this one. So it's kind of like a 2-step problem. So you would do 96 minus 18. Now watch, whatever answer you get goes on top, and then you do whatever that answer is minus 29 to get your final answer down here, okay? Just a fun bonus for you to try. We do have a riddle today. Our riddle for today is, how do you make time fly? Sometimes I would love to do that. Other times I want time to slow down. I will see you tomorrow, champions. Thank you.